Making a McDonald's McGriddle from home with pancake mix, an egg, and sausage patty. First, heat up the griddle. Pour the pancake batter into the little egg ring. I forgot to add the syrup to my first McGriddle bun. The second one I made sure to add the syrup. The syrup in the bun is my favorite part of the McGriddle. After the McGriddle patties are done, pour the scrambled eggs into the egg ring. I added cream cheese to my scrambled egg. Also put the sausage patty on the griddle. After everything is cooked, it's time to put together the McGriddle Breakfast Sandwich. The syrup in the pancake buns really made it taste like a McDonald's McGriddle. I may start adding syrup into my weekend pancakes.